can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering the Supreme Week 2 live cop. This video might be out a little bit late, and for that I do apologize, but unfortunately I had to work today, so I screen recorded the video and I'm going to react to it now. I do apologize for that, but it kind of is what it is. I am unfortunately working right now. Hey, I'm not even going to say unfortunately because a lot of people aren't even able to work at this point. I am grateful that I can go ahead and work, but that's besides the point. I'm just trying to bring a video to you guys today for the live cop. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what went down this morning. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And make sure you comment down below what did you end up copying this week and any video ideas that you do have for the channel. I'm open to anything, so just let me know down there. The last thing I do want to say is that if you guys want to enter the Profound Aesthetics masks giveaway, all you have to do is go ahead and subscribe to the channel and send me proof that you're subscribed to my Instagram, which is up here all the time. You will be entered automatically to win one of these masks right here. If you guys do end up enjoying this giveaway, I will let them know to send me more masks to give away to you guys. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to this video. So boom, right here we're waiting for the drop. Shit came out, so I go straight to the chair. I'm trying to get this shit by any means. I add it to my cart, and when I go there, what the fuck? Hey yo, what the fuck? It's not even there, bro. I'm like, yo, what's really going on? I go back to accessories trying to find the chair again. Shit is sold out. I'm like, bro, what the f just happened? Then I find the black one, add it to cart. I click the button and it's sold out. I'm like, dude, it just dropped. Like, how the f is it automatically sold out? So I go to the jacket. I'm over here trying to add the jacket and it's gone, bro. It's gone. Like, it's not even there. I'm over here trying to find the pieces again. I go back down to the chair and I try to find it and it says the red one is there. So I add it to cart. I click the checkout button and it says sold out. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna still check out just in case. I add my information and then I try to process payment. It said the shit is gone, bro. It's gone. Like, it's not even there no more. Like, what's really going on? I'm just waiting for a restock. Ain't none of that, bro. None of that at all. So I click the shop button and I try to find the jacket, if I'm not mistaken. I click the jacket. It says it's there in XL, so I'm happy as shit. It's gone anyways, bro. Don't even worry about it. It was already sold out. Unfortunately, I'm over here just waiting for a restock. It says it's there, but every time I click it, it's sold out. I don't know what was happening with Supreme this morning. Shit was just ass. I'm looking through them and I see that the medium one is there. It's sold out, bro. It's not even there no more. I clicked the crew neck and I thought it was there as well. Nah, joke's on me. That shit is sold out too, bro. There's nothing there for your boy. Like, bro, I tried to go for almost every piece, so at this point I'm almost giving up. The S logo was there and I go ahead and add this mini flask. I really don't want this shit, but at this point I'm just trying to buy something to say that I bought something, which isn't a smart idea. I go back to the chair hoping that it comes back and it doesn't. And at that point the flask sold out and I'm like, bro, screw this shit. One thing I do want to say is that when I was trying to check out, on the checkout screen it was not saving my address for nothing, bro. Then I had to type my name in and fill out the address through the Google Chrome thing. It still didn't fill out the actual address, so I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to download the autofill extension on Chrome in order to be able to fill out my address, because low-key that was like 5 to 6 seconds spent just waiting for my address to be filled out and then manually adding the street and the house number and all that kind of stuff, which really does take up a lot of time if you think about it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the extension in order to save me some time on that, because that did kind of mess me up today. Honestly, I think I wasn't able to cook up regardless, even if I did have the chance to add it to my cart, because it was just gone, bro. I don't even know how many seconds it sold out in. I'm gonna try to put it right here. Shit was gone, bro. It don't even make sense how fast it sold out. But if you guys would like me to make a video on how to cop Supreme this season manually, let me know in the comments and by smashing the like button on this video. I do feel like they did change some things around. They added PayPal on there. The address is not saving for nothing, bro. I tried the method where you put the fake card and you put your real address. That shit doesn't work for me anymore. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to get the autofill to work, and I would make a video. If you guys would want that, let me know in the comments below. And hey, leave me some new video ideas as well. I'm honestly open to doing any kind of content on the channel. Anything that's fun and exciting for you guys to watch, let me know and I will make those kind of videos. Just go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe subscribe to the channel if you are new. Leave a comment, like I said before, if you are interested in any kind of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also, we know we living through the Roni season, so you gotta go ahead and get you a mask. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and send me proof on Instagram, and you're automatically entered to win one of these masks. If the giveaway goes good, I will go ahead and get some more to give to you guys. I also am gonna have a big giveaway coming with Supreme Ricks, the homie, on IG, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.